Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We were discussing the sums on probability and statistics, and simultaneously I'm uploading the sums both on statistics and on probability. I hope you have gone through the videos, and those who haven't gone through the videos, please go through it because each and every sum is very much important. You can practice by seeing those videos. It will be helpful for you. So still those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, and subscription is totally free of cost. You don't need to pay any amount for the subscription. Only you need to just subscribe to the channel so that you can get the notifications of each and every videos. You can able to practice by seeing those videos. So let's start with the question. What is the chance that a leap year selected at a random will contain 53 Sundays? Okay, so how you are going to solve the problem? Let's see. Now, a leap year consists of how many days? 366 days. So, these 360 days consist of 52 complete week. These 360 days consist of 52 complete week and 2 extra days, which are consecutive days. A leap year consists of 366 days, and these 366 days consist of how many? 52 complete week and 2 extra days, which are consecutive days. A leap year contains 53 Sundays. If these 2 consecutive days contain 1 Sunday, that means 2 consecutive days means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See, I have written also there. These consecutive days may be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So how many outcomes you are getting from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outcomes you are getting. So total number of outcomes is how much? 7. What is the question? Question is that what is the chance that a leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays? That means how many Sundays are here? Saturday, Sunday, 1 Sunday, Sunday, Monday, 1 Sunday. So how many Sundays you are getting? 2. That means favorable cases will be 2. So the required probability will be 2 by 7. So this is how you are going to solve the problem. Thanks for watching the channel.